You excited, Drax? Yeah, big yawn. Welcome back to the vlog. We are spending a weekend at Longleat Center Parcs, located in the forests of Wiltshire, England. So come along for a little look at the fun we got up to during our time here. Good morning from Longleat Center Parcs. It's January 2026. We arrived last night and kind of got all settled in, but we did go bowling, so I'll put a little clip of that in here. This was such a fun way to kick off our first night, and the bowling alley was so cute. There were also pool tables, a little arcade, and a bar. So we grabbed some drinks to toast to good times and the first trip of the new year. Bowling! Wow. All right, going for 8-pounder.
Nearly.
That was pretty
Nice
good.
shot, nice shot.
Getting on the action.
Okay. Nice.
Call me two spares.
That's
Two
what they
pairs,
call
two
you.
spares. Oh, strike! It's the moment of truth. Might be the winner. Let's see what Chris gets. And if he doesn't get a strike, I won. I won! And now we're here for the weekend. So today we are heading off to the spa. We have brunch and then we get to use the spa for a few hours, and we'll see what we get up to for the rest of the day. But come along, it should be a really wonderful, fun, cozy cabin weekend. This is also my first time at Center Parcs, and it's like being on a cruise ship in the woods is like the best way I know how to describe it. But anyway, we have our bikes here. Let me turn this around. Oh, yep, and there's our cabin. There's our little cabin. Here are all of our bike rentals. It's the cutest, coziest cabin. Also, don't be alarmed, dog's staying in this accommodation. Let's see what we're working with. Oh my gosh, he's so ferocious. This is my bike. We gotta get it undone. Ready for the day. Safety first. We are geared up for a very fun day. So let's go on an adventure. To get to the spa, we're cycling down the area called the Cascades, which was one of my favorite places on the property. The tall trees and waterfalls are just magical. Wow, this is so pretty! And here we are coming up to the Aquasana Forest Spa. This is gorgeous. Made it to the spa. Oat milk mochas. How's yours? So cute. So happy to be here.
Looks pretty happy.
Yeah, very nice. We started with brunch before heading into the spa. Let me tell you, this spa is an absolute dream come true. There are 24 different spa experiences along with 24 treatment rooms. We didn't book any treatments, but there was still so much to do. This was by far the largest resort spa I've ever been to, so we made a point to enjoy all the different rooms and soak in all the relaxation this morning. This was definitely a highlight of our trip, and I would really recommend checking it out if you're planning a visit to Center Parcs yourself. Come on. After such a relaxing start to the day, we went for an afternoon walk with our buddy Drax to see a little bit more of the Longleat Forest and some of the other fun attractions you can book at Center Parcs. There are all sorts of activities you can try, from archery to mini golf to laser tag, but one that seemed like the most popular was the tree trekking course. This looked like a lot of fun, so I might have to check it out on our next trip if the weather's a little bit warmer. Booking a trip here in January is great for the affordable prices, but there is a big compromise on the weather, which for us just meant booking more indoor activities this time. Luckily, this day stayed pretty dry though, so we were happy to make the most of this afternoon walk. You having fun in Center Parcs, Bug? But now on to what quickly became the most fun place at Center Parcs, the pool dome. lots of different water slides like that one, but my personal favorite was the rapids. And we'll be back here plenty more times on this trip. Good morning. I've lost my voice. I lost it on the rapids, I think, last night. But another beautiful day. Our friends have rented the boat this morning, so they're off on the lake, and we're gonna go find them. Let's go. Buggles. We found them. Well, it looks like they're having a grand old time out there. Let's see. There they are. Probably freezing. They're just swirling around. What does he see? Oh. What? What? Hey, no. Now that we're reunited with our friends, we are heading back to the pool yet again. So here's a little look at the walk there and an aerial view of the swimming dome. This whole area is kept at 29.5 degrees Celsius, which is nice and warm and perfect for a day of wintertime swimming. Even the outdoor pool is heated, but there is a cold plunge if you're feeling brave. Get the full cinematic experience.
Speed route.
I did aerial.
Yeah,
I did my hair.
a very good aerial haircut.
Did you? Oh yeah. You mean when you do your hairstyle? No, I did the whole like. Oh, did you? Yeah. Why didn't you get to the camera?
How do I do that?
Okay, get in the frame.
Like George Washington.
Okay.
Yeah, do your George
You're gonna.
Washington
Oh yeah.
My hair's not long enough to do anything good.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Mr. President.
So Chris, you're gonna put your hair down and then you're gonna flip it back. Okay? Yeah?
You gotta like come up.
Come up flipping. Come up flipping.
Come up like. Wait, if you're doing
Part of your work.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, really good.
Okay. Into the satchel.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You ready, buddy? And he's like, no.
No, I don't want to do this.
Drax to the pub, one way or another. How we doing? Oh, hi, Buggy. Hi, baby. I like being behind you and hearing everybody being like, did you see the dog? The Forester Inn is the dog-friendly pub here, so we thought we would bring Drax along and check it out. Are you so brave? Yeah.
You love it when you see the winter.
He's so loving it.
Shaking a little bit.
Yeah. But we made it to our destination. He was unsure of the bike ride here, but then he settled right in. We grabbed a quick drink and a bite and then headed outside to see the winter lights, which, excitingly, were still up a few weeks after Christmas, and they really were spectacular.
Your pixie name.
Here, you spin to find out your pixie name.
Right, Drax.
I just learned mine was Giggly Cloud, so we wanted to get Drax's name too.
Good job, buddy. That was a big spin.
Wow, so
You are. He's part of the cloud family.
Of course.
Whoa!
Giggly clouds.
Second.
Whoa!
You're my son, it's true. Drax, it's photo shoot time, buddy. I'll hold his leash. Wow. Try and drop your head just a little bit.
Wait, hold on.
Nice.
Squirrel.
Oh.
He wants that squirrel.
Oh, we're sorry. We're winding you up, aren't we? But you're
What a naughty squirrel.
This is so magical. And to catch this time of year, here we go. Whoa! Super cool. Oh. As we enjoy the light show, I'll go ahead and wrap up this vlog here. I can now officially say I'm a big fan of Center Parcs. And luckily, we already have another trip in the books planned for later this year. So let me know what you want to see more of on our next trip, but until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. That was really cool.